Are you feeling stuck in the same old routine, dreaming of a life with more freedom, more income, and more time for what you truly love? What if I told you there's a path, a proven system, that thousands of everyday people are using to completely transform their financial reality? It's not a fantasy, it's the power of digital marketing, and I'm here to show you exactly how you can tap into it. My name is Tahira, and not too long ago, I was probably right where you are now. I was searching for a way out of the 9-to-5 grind, looking for something that would allow me to build my own future, on my own terms. I tried different things, but nothing truly clicked until I discovered the Digital Wealth Academy. This wasn't just another course. It was a comprehensive, step-by-step roadmap that demystified the world of digital marketing. The core of this program is something called Master Resale Rights, or MRR. Now, what does that mean? It's simple. When you purchase the Digital Wealth Academy course, you don't just get access to all the incredible training inside, you also get the rights to sell the course itself and keep 100% of the profit. Think about that for a second. Your very first sale could mean you've already made your initial investment back. Every single sale after that is pure profit, straight into your pocket. Let's break down what's inside. The Digital Wealth Academy teaches you everything you need to know to build a successful online business from the ground up. We're talking about high-income skills that are in massive demand right now. You'll learn how to create a compelling personal brand that attracts your ideal customers, how to master social media marketing on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, and the best part? You don't need any prior experience. You don't need to be a tech genius, and you don't need a huge social media following to start. The course is designed for complete beginners. It guides you through setting up your sales funnel, creating content that converts, and understanding the psychology behind successful marketing. It's all laid out for you. Plus, you'll become part of an incredibly supportive community. Imagine having thousands of people on the same journey as you, ready to cheer you on, answer your questions, and celebrate your wins. That kind of support is priceless. Now, let's talk about what this really means for you. This is more than just making money online. It's about creating a life of freedom. It's about being able to pay off debt, save for the future, travel the world, or simply have the financial cushion to not stress about bills anymore. I've seen single moms replace their full-time income, families afford their dream homes, and individuals finally quit the jobs that were draining their spirits. These are real people, with real results, all because they took a chance on themselves and followed the roadmap provided by the Digital Wealth Academy. You might be thinking, is this too good to be true? I get it. I was skeptical too. But the difference here is the value. If you're ready to take control of your future, start your journey with Digital Wealth Academy today. Don't wait. Your opportunity to earn online and build freedom is just one click away. Click the link in the description and get started now.